So first of all, good evening everyone. I Pankaj and this is Sonu.
Good evening, everyone.
Today we are forming a podcast session. So my topic is Digital India, means a digital payment system. So first of all, do you know what is the meaning of UPI?
Yes, I know what is the meaning of UPI. UPI is Unified Payments Interface.
Yes. As Sonu said, UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. So with the help of UPI, we can easily transfer money, one peer-to-peer connection, and it is more beneficial for us. So let me tell you, UPI was officially launched in April 2016 in our India. And UPI is collaborative with the NPSC. And let me ask one question from you. What is the benefits of UPI?
Okay, benefits of UPI, like when since people is not aware for UPI, so when since UPI is here and people are very like no people are saving our time because of UPI, and they don't know banks, and they send money on on their place. So like this.
Let me add some points. With the help of UPI, we can easily transfer money one place to another place, and we can transfer money with hassle free. Don't any kind of misconceptions. And with the help of UPI, we don't need to go one place to another place. This is beneficial for us, and our UPI system don't charge money, don't charge any kind of money also. And let me tell you what is the ratio of our UPI. In India 2023 December, India has achieved first rank. First rank is the highest rate in our India. And UPI 4.5 billion transaction has done in our India, and around 9 trillion rupees sent by UPI in our India only in just a single year. So this time UPI is on peak, and we are getting more benefits with the help of UPI. So let me tell you what is the main goal of UPI.
So main goal is of UPI, like
Okay, let me tell. Main goal of UPI is UPI based on our UPI is hassle free, means we don't need to go anywhere. We can easily work, we can easily send money, or we can easily pay our money to someone on that place. And UPI makes our life very easily. And UPI also reduce paper. UPI also reduce paper cash. And do you add something? Sorry.
yes, that time people has no digital equipment, so people has some money in their pockets and sometimes stolen and fall out their pockets. So when मतलब जब से आई है,
Since when it has come.
since when it has come, so people are very मतलब बिंदास.
Okay. Let me complete Sonu point. As
Very
Sonu
happy.
said, we don't need to carry purse or any kind of currency, paper currency. We can easily send money by our mobile phone, and we don't need to store our money like in the sometimes ago when we don't have a UPI system. So that time our money also chances of our money is fall somewhere, but now time we have a digital. so we can easily send money and we don't need to carry cash. And now times are India, small street vendors also accept digital money in our India. We don't need to carry cash that time. This is a very great thing our India. And do you want to add something more points?
I have no idea now.
Oh, now times, let me add some points. Now times, UPI, with the help of UPI, people are more aware about digital and with the help of UPI, small street vendors and like if student don't have money that time, so who can easily call to their parents and they can send money. This is more beneficial for everyone. So now we are wrapping up our podcast, so thank you for listening carefully.